At -35, the cold doesn't greet you, it tests you. Every step forward has to earn its warmth.
Shelter starts with reading what the wind has already written.
In this cold, you don't guess, you measure.
The right spot saves hours and saves lives.
Tools are simple. Use them wrong, and they punish you.
You carve space from the storm, one block at a time.
A windbreak isn't comfort, it's control.
Find the calm pocket, and you find a chance.
In a whiteout, a line can be the difference between lost and living.
Good snow is structure, bad snow is collapse.
Once the spot is chosen, you move like daylight is running out. The storm doesn't pause, so neither do we. Build the barrier first, then build the home behind it.
Before the cave, you prepare the system that keeps you alive.
If your gear drifts away, the cold wins by default. In a whiteout, organization is survival.
A stable path keeps energy where you need it, inside you.
You don't unpack in the storm, you build a pocket of calm first. Hot food comes later. First, you protect the means to make it. Small checks prevent big failures. A tether is peace of mind when the world turns white. When visibility dies, your lines keep you found.
Order is warmth you don't have to spend.
A balanced load keeps you moving when your body wants to stop.
Test it now or pay for it later. Every inch you clear is an inch you can use.
Now the work is staged, and the clock is the cold.
When your system's ready, you can finally build. The entrance is a throat, narrow, cold, and unforgiving.
Digging is only half the job. Moving snow is the other half.
A windbreak buys you minutes. Minutes buy you shelter.
Shape the tunnel wrong, and the cold will live inside with you.
In a snow cave, the roof is your only ceiling and your only risk. A plan inside the snow keeps panic outside it.
The moment the chamber opens, you feel space and you feel hope.
Even your waist snow becomes part of your defense.
A clean entrance keeps the storm from chewing its way inside.
Let the cold settle low and keep your living space above it. A flat surface is a luxury. Here, it's a necessity.
One small hole can mean the difference between warm and dangerous. Once the space has order, you can finally start living in it. When the wind quiets, your hands can finally work.
Heat starts as an idea, then becomes a routine.
Protect the flame, and the flame will protect you.
Water in winter is work. Every drop is made. When the flame holds, you gain time. Steam is the first sign the system is working. Air keeps you alive, even when warmth tempts you to seal it all. Melt slow, and you keep control. Fuel is finite. Discipline makes it last. Warm metal stays workable, cold metal steals time. Cold creeps in through the smallest mistakes. With water made, the meal can finally begin. Food prep in this cold is precision, not comfort. Clean habits keep small problems from turning dangerous. In deep cold, you keep it simple and keep it safe. The first simmer is the start of real recovery.
Routine keeps the storm from owning your mind.
Heat changes everything, even the snow above you. Dry hands stay working hands. A thick meal holds heat longer, so does your body. When the pot finally calms, you know you're close. Heat is fragile. Guard it like shelter. In deep cold, control is the only comfort. A steady flame turns chaos into routine. Stirring is fuel saved and mistakes avoided.
Warm containers mean less heat lost.
The lid comes off and the warmth finally shows itself. Keep the pot hot and you keep the night manageable. Eating is maintenance, slow, quiet, deliberate. Warmth is a loop you keep feeding. Even a simmer can steal heat if you ignore it. Safety lives in the details, you keep checking. When you've made heat, you learn when to stop spending it. The flame ends, but the warmth has work left to do. After heat and food, you build the routine that keeps you alive. Dry gear is working gear, wet gear is failure. If the entrance freezes shut, your shelter turns against you. Sweat is the hidden enemy, manage it, or it becomes ice. Sharp tools save calorie, dull tools steal them. A shelter is alive, you keep listening to it. Give the cold a place to sit, and it won't sit on you. Night isn't a time. Night is a new set of problems. When the wind grows teeth, you lock everything down.
Seal the seams, and the storm has fewer ways in.
If your lines fail at night, you lose more than gear. In a whiteout, you work fast and stay anchored. Anchors aren't optional, they're your insurance.
If the entrance seals, the shelter becomes a tomb. Back inside, you rebuild calm.
Loose gear at night becomes noise, and noise becomes mistakes.
Moisture is the quiet threat that grows overnight. The storm comes in waves. Your routine answers every one.
Before anything else, you check the body that has to finish the job.
In this cold, you don't feel danger until it's already there. A shelter fails slowly if you pay attention.
You move water where it can't hurt you. Gear that sleeps wrong can wake up broken.
In the dark, you need tools exactly where your hands expect them.
Even sheltered, you stay oriented. Water is your lifeline. Keep it liquid. The storm speaks through the shelter. Learn its language. Before you move, you confirm what the storm wanted to take.
Pack the system the same way every time so you can find it in a crisis.
Waste nothing. Warmth is stored in every calorie. A clean shelter is respect for the place and for the next decision.
The moment you open the door, the cold returns in full.
Now the camp becomes a point behind you.
Leaving is navigation under pressure. And this is how we survive extreme cold, from start to finish.
The only way out is the way you plan.
Comment what's next.